everybody. Today we're going to be making lemon ricotta waffles, and we love them. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, go click that subscribe button. The first step is we need all our ingredients. So right here we have some salt, some baking soda, some baking powder, some butter, 2 bowls, some measuring cups, some measuring spoons, a lemon and ricotta cheese, and flour
and eggs.
You can use whatever kind of flour you want, and we have a waffle maker. Made a really big mess.
Mommy, I want a piece of lemon.
So we added our flour, our salt, our baking soda, our baking powder, and we forgot to tell you that we needed sugar too, so you add that in. And now we're gonna put our lemon zest. We grated our lemon, so now we're gonna put the zest inside of the bowl. Here we go. So we're gonna whisk together our wet ingredients now. Our vanilla, our ricotta, our melted butter, our 2 eggs, and our milk. Stop eating the lemon. Stop eating it. Oh. I said stop eating it.
I like lemon.
He does have a point. I couldn't find the whisk, so I'm just using a fork. Wet ingredients, so I'm whisking it together so it's thoroughly combined.
This is yummy lemon.
Add all of your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and stir until they're all combined.
I want it tucked away.
Is it fun?
Yes. Nate, why did you say that?
And I'm asking you.
Oh yeah, it is fun, Nate.
You heat up your waffle iron.
Oh yeah, heat it up.
And then you put your waffle batter on the waffle maker. So now we have the waffle batter in the waffle maker. How many times have I told you to stop eating that lemon? So we're gonna wait for the waffle to get ready. And after we are going to test it. So if you like that, click the link below. And if you want to, there's the recipe that we made. So if you want to try it, go down below and try the recipe for yourself. See you guys later, and we are going to enjoy our waffle.
Waffle.
That's cool.
This is